In this Rock Like the Pros 10-day intermediate practice and technique challenge, we're going to do a really cool exercise called the spider. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. And in this one, it's going to be a spider exercise. There's a bunch of different spider exercises you can do on the guitar, and this is just one variation I'm going to show you in a second. Before we get there, though, I want you to have a chance to win one of two collar guitars that we got going on for this challenge and just for you. First of all, the first one, all you got to do is sign up below. Go click that link. Matter of fact, everyone's got to do it. Just go sign up below, click that link. It's free. You get all the information you need to win the Kala Mini Orchestra guitar. Really cool guitar. And it's free to enter. It's free to enter. So sign up below. Make sure you subscribe right here to Rock Like the Pros. Subscribe to Kala. Post at least one video to the free Rock Like the Pros forum. And then leave comments for this video, all the videos, and make sure to smash that like button. Now, if you want to become a VIP and you want the tabs, you want the PDFs, you want the backing tracks, you want access to the private Zoom call with me, and you want to have a chance to win a Kala Parlor guitar. That's right. That's a second guitar. You got to become a VIP. We'll put that information below. Might as well. What the heck? You got nothing to lose. All right. Before we get to this exercise, I'm going to show it to you in a second. We are going to be using all four of our fingers for this variation of the spider exercise. That's all I'm going to show you right there. How cool is that? Such a cool sounding. It is difficult. It's a challenge, but it's going to be a good challenge. You might have noticed we're starting this one on the bass strings and not the first string like we've done so many of these exercises. You might have also noticed I'm playing a pretty kick butt guitar here. Keep it clean. This is my Gibson L4. Man, I got this one at a trade show many, many years ago. Me and this guitar have put a lot of miles on together. When I was up at USC getting my master's in studio jazz guitar, when I was up in LA doing a bunch of studio work, writing, producing, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, this guitar has a very special place in my heart. But if you need a guitar, picks, capo straps, whatever you need, books, check out the #1 store, which is store.rocklikethepros.com. All right, are you ready to jump into this one? All right. Deep breath. You can do this one. All right, it's going to start right here on the 6th string, 1st fret with my 1st finger. And then I'm going to go down the string to the 5th string, 3rd fret. That's a power chord. And then I'm going to go back to the 6th string, 2nd fret with my 2nd finger. And then my pinky is going to go on the 5th string, 4th fret. Once you get that pattern down, you got it. Because then it's just moving it down and up the strings. But it's going to go. Try to keep as many fingers as you down at all times, okay? So you can lift them up if you want, but try to keep them all down because that actually works really well for this one. All right, so it's going to start there. Then just simply move it down to the 5th string. Same pattern, just got to get used to moving it down. Next string. Next string. Same pattern, nothing changes, and then. And it sounds really cool, and it feels like your hands are moving like a spider, and actually kind of sounds kind of haunting too. All right, so we just finished there. Now we're just finished here, right? So we're gonna slide this up now. 1st finger is gonna be on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and then 1st string, 4th fret, and then bring in the 2nd finger, and then 4, and then you're gonna work it back up. Nice and slow. Man, what a great workout. This is also a really great workout for the right hand. If you can do alternate picking, do that. But anyway, either picking you do, if it's all down or all up or alternate picking or some kind of combination of that, you're going to be doing a lot of moving as well for this one. All right, so we just finished up here. 3rd fret and 5th fret. You're going to slide up to the 3rd fret with your 1st finger and then down. Ooh, some dissonance when you hold these notes and let them ring out together. Keep going. Just do it with me. This is tricky. right, we're not done yet. We got 2 more frets to go. Slide it up now to the 4th fret. All right, so even for me, it's a challenge too. All right, we're going to slide up to the 5th fret and do the same thing. Last one here is at the 5th fret going down. And that's where we're going to end it right there when your pinky hits the 1st string, 8th fret. Whew, what do you think so far? Leave a comment below. This is tough, right? There's a lot of things going on. You got to make sure your fingers are on the right string. You got to make sure your pick is on the right string, but you can do this, right? A little bit of practice, you can do it. Let's go ahead now. Let's try that with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's hard. That's hard. I had to really focus on that one. How did you do? Leave a comment below, 1 to 5. If you noticed, the times that I held all those fingers down, it kind of created this nice overlapping tones and overtones, kind of cool sounding. Okay, so just notice that. All right, that was a medium backtrack. If you need the slow backtrack, you want a faster backtrack, that's available all to the VIPs, as well as the tab, the sheet music, everything like that. If you want it, we'll put a link below for the VIP. Last step. Remember, you got to post the video of yourself playing this over at the free Rock Like the Pros forum. You got to post at least 1 video from this challenge, but hopefully you post all of them because you're going to challenge yourself and really put yourself out there, and that's how you're going to get better, and that's how you're going to improve. All right, if you're digging this stuff, if you like what's going on here, you want to take your technique even further, we're going to have right after this challenge, an advanced technique workshop with me and some special guests. We're going to take this information and just take it to the moon. Okay, some really cool techniques that are going to help you grow as a guitar player. All right, that's it for this video. We're not done, but we are done with this video, the spider exercise. Hope you dug it. I enjoyed showing it to you, and we'll see you in the next one.